Are you tired of washing all of your baby bottles by hand? Look, I don't blame you. It takes a lot of time and energy, which is often something us parents with babies and young children do not have a lot of. That's why I want to share and give you an honest mom review of the Grownsy all-in-one baby bottle washer. We'll go over all the features, pros and cons, and help you decide if it's a worthwhile, time-saving investment for you and your family. First, let's talk convenience. This all-in-one baby bottle washer is going to clean, sterilize, and dry your bottles for you. It also works with pump parts, pacifiers, syringes, breast milk storage, pretty much all the things you need to feed your baby. It's a large capacity countertop machine that fits up to 4 sets of bottles, and it will drain right into your sink. It uses 26 powerful spray jets to give you a 360 clean from all that stubborn formula and breast milk stains. The Grownsy bottle washer is going to replace you having to hand wash everything and then the need for bottle brushes, drying racks, and any sterilization gadgets that you also might need. All you have to do is simply fill up the water tank like you would on your coffee machine, pop in a cleaning tablet, and you are good to go. Second, let's talk about time and how valuable it is as a new parent. Because there's really 3 different ways that you can clean your baby bottles: by hand, in the dishwasher, or by using a automatic baby bottle washer like this one. Washing by hand isn't terrible, but from experience, the task can become quite daunting, especially when those bottles start to pile up in the sink. And then you spend more time in front of the sink wishing you could do other mom things instead. The dishwasher is pretty convenient, but of course you don't want to run an empty dishwasher with just bottles in it, and sometimes the cycle can take 3 or more hours to get everything clean. The Grownsy bottle washer can clean, sterilize, and dry all your bottles for you in under an hour and 40 minutes on standard mode, or even within an hour and a half on fast mode. So with a newborn eating every 2 to 3 hours, this machine guarantees that you will have a fresh bottle and fresh pump parts that are ready to go for your next feeding session. And I think this is so helpful for the mental load of motherhood, especially when you are lacking sleep and in the thick of it. Because the dishwasher sure wouldn't be done running by then, and who knows if you would have had time to clean your bottles given the unpredictability of newborns. So the time saved and the peace of mind of a bottle washer, I think, is a total mom win. Next, let's talk pros and cons. Pro number 1, this bottle washer is going to save you so much time. It's going to give you time back during your day to spend more of it with baby, and saving you time at night during that evening routine means that you get to catch up on some much needed sleep. Con number 1 though is that the machine might be too bulky for some kitchens if you were lacking the counter space. Like, I don't think this product would have worked super well in our old house given the setup of the kitchen there. And then you'd also want to make sure that you have enough clearance underneath your cabinets to open and close the machine properly. Pro number 2 is that this bottle washer is so convenient. It's very easy to load up and just press start. I also like how it has a user-friendly quick start guide on the side, so if you have a grandparent or babysitter that's over watching baby, they can easily figure out how to operate the machine on their own. Con number 2 though is that it's recommended for you to use distilled water with the machine. I think this could definitely add to the cost over time, and then also just having to remember to get the gallons of distilled water from the store, and they're heavy. However, some parents report using regular tap water and then just having to descale the machine periodically using vinegar. Pro 3 is that I really appreciate how this machine is an all-in-one product. The CDC recommends that infant feeding gear be cleaned and then sanitized for extra protection, especially when baby is less than 2 months old, was born prematurely, or has a weakened immune system due to illness or medical treatments. So for families who fall into those categories, I think a bottle washer could take away some of the stress of baby care responsibilities, especially when already going through such a stressful time.